going to name this as. So to name this, so I have 2 carbon atom. So I'm going to start by, let me start from here. 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5 first. Let me start from this direction. So here is 2 3 4 5 6. So the best way to name this compound is in this direction. So the name of this compound is in this direction. The parent's name is in this direction, because if you start from the other direction or any other direction you are thinking of, you end up getting 5. So the best direction to follow is this direction I'm pointing now. So since now we now have this direction, and our parents name is 6. So what is 6? 6 is definitely called what? Hexane. So anywhere with 6 we are talking about hexane. So now we have 6 as our parent's name, which is the hexane. What next are we going to do? So it's identify the substituents. So where are these substituents? Where are these substituents? So you should observe something. You should definitely observe something, and which is, here should be 2, not 3. So you should observe something, which is, where should I start? Should I start from the left or should I start from the right? So let's check. So you know, in naming this compound, our main major product or our main aim is to end up that we name this, or we give the compound or the substituent the lowest possible number. So if it starts from this direction, let's check. 1 2 3. So here is 3. Note that. So I'll have 3. I will have 4. So I will have 3, 4 as my methyl group. So if I should start from this direction up here, I'll still end up getting the same thing, because you cannot name from this direction or this direction. Why? Is because naming from that direction is not proper, because that is not the parent's name. So the parent's name is starting from this direction. So since you have started from this direction, so to name this compound is 3 and 4. So why am I saying 3 and 4? Is because if you observe this compound, if I want to rewrite this compound, so this compound is definitely called an ethyl group, because ethyl has 2 carbon atom and 5 hydrogen atom. So therefore this is an ethyl group, and it's an ethyl because it is not acting as a substituent. So now we know that that is an ethyl. So what are we going to call this thing? We're going to call this what? 3, 4. There is a comma sign because it's number to number, and there is a hyphen sign because it is now number to alphabet. What? Diethyl. Why did I use di? I use di because it is 2. I'm going to test your knowledge in this, so you're not confused or misuse it. So this is 3,4-diethyl what? Hexane. So 3,4-diethyl hexane is what we call. This is N, not M. So this is 3,4-diethyl hexane. So I believe from now you know how to name alkane group. Alkane, you know how to name alkane. So let's dive into the more. So from now I'll be more faster. When I'm naming now, I'll be more faster, and I'll bring more complex ones we are going to name. So